The RIO Beach chair features an extended seat height and sits 17 inches off the ground. Easily recline to 4 different positions with the Safe Adjust technology built into the molded armrests. The Safe Adjust brackets provide a guarded recline without the worries of getting fingers or hands pinched. Durable polyester fabric. The extra-wide molded armrests provide elbow and forearm comfort and feature a built-in cup holder, cell phone slot and bottle opener. Store your personal belongings inside the insulated storage pouch with mesh pocket conveniently located on the armrest. The adjustable, padded shoulder straps and compact fold make it easy to take anywhere outdoors. The rust-proof aluminum frame is all weatherproof and weighs only 8 pounds. Weight capacity: 250 pounds. Open dimensions 39.5 by 27.8 x 27.6 inches. Folded dimensions 37 by 27.8 x 5.25 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic beach chair at just the right height. We are aging and having knee and hip replacements, but we still like to go to the beach, right? I could no longer get out of those seats that are inches from the sand, so I purchased this remarkable chair. It is amazing. I fell asleep for 2 hours and thoroughly enjoyed my rest. RIO is an awesome company specializing in all things beach, summer related, and this chair is one in their fleet of great products. The cup holder is just the right size and it even has a little cooler bag on the side. The colors are perfect and I love my new chair.